Good morning children, now some short answer questions. First question, what is the difference between inductive effect and resonance effect? Right? Inductive effect is shown by sigma electrons. This is unknown alkyl halide, aliphatic halide. R is unknown and this R is attached with halogen. It means compound is halide. In this halide, what is the type of effect? Inductive effect. Right, which is shown by arrow. Head of arrow is directed towards more electronegative atom, which is halogen. Right. First difference, sigma inductive effect is shown by sigma electrons, and resonance is shown by pi electrons or by lone pair of electrons. First curved arrow is showing shifting of lone pair of electrons between halogen, which is chlorine and carbon, and second curved arrow shifting of pi electrons at ortho position. Right. Second difference, after partial displacement of sigma electrons towards more electronegative atom, right, more electronegative atom becomes partially negative. It attains partial negative charge. And second atom partial positive charge. Partial means development of polarity with chemical bond. This del is showing partial. Del plus on carbon and del minus on Cl. Now second difference in resonance, it is complete transfer of electron pair from one position to another position. Right? One position is completely positively charged. Plus is written here, not del plus. Right? Here is a shifting of electron from halogen to this ring, benzene ring. At ortho position, this halogen becomes positively charged. Plus, due to decrease in electron density, and ortho position of benzene ring negatively charged. Minus for this lone pair of electron. Right? Conversion of pi electrons to lone pair and formation of new pi bond by lone pair of electron. Right? For resonance, conjugation is required. Conjugation means lone pair of electron is in conjugation. What is conjugative type of unsaturation? Lone pair, single bond, double bond. Specific unsaturation, alternation of double and single bonds. In benzene, conjugation is present, right? Due to the presence of alternation of double and single bond. One bond is double, second is single. Again double, single, double, single. This type of unsaturation is called conjugation, right? In this ring, this lone pair of electron is in conjugation. Then resonance is possible. Okay, children? These are the points or differences between inductive effect, this is showing I effect, and this is showing resonance. Right? Now children, next, which of the following compounds will not exist as resonance hybrid? Resonance hybrid shows mixed characters. Right? Now, here how many molecules are given? 3 molecules. Methanol, amide, RCONH2. CONH2 group is amide group. Then unsaturated amine. Right? Answer is based on complete bonding structure. In methanol, double bond is absent. Right? Conjugation is absent. Resonance is not possible. For resonance, double bond is required. Pi electrons are required. And second, this unsaturated amine, double bond is present. Lone pair of electron is present. But here is no conjugation. Right? Distance or difference between double bond and lone pair of electron by 2 single bonds, not by 1 single bond. Right? Here is a difference by 1 single bond, double bond, single, then lone pair. Then resonance is possible. Right? This is isolated type. Okay, children? In this molecule, resonance hybrid structure is not possible. In amide is possible, RCONH2, right? Because the CONH2, C double bond O, and a nitrogen atom, lone pair of electron is present. CONH2. This type of conjugation is required. Lone pair, single bond, pi. The shifting of pi on oxygen and simultaneous shifting of lone pair of electron between N and C. In this molecule, resonance is possible, resonance hybrid is possible, but in these molecules, resonance hybrid is not possible. Next one, write the structural formula for compounds. First is 1-bromo-pentane, second is 5-bromo-heptanoic acid. First one is halide, right? 1-bromo-pentane. Pent means 5 carbon atoms. Ane means single bonded carbon atoms, right? First structure of 1-bromo-pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first carbon where halogen is attached. Okay children, 1-bromo, then pentane. Second functional group is oic acid, carboxylic acid. 5-bromo-heptanoic acid. Hepta means 7 carbon atoms. Hex means 6. Ane single bonded, oic carboxylic group, and 5-bromo at 5th carbon Br is attached. And you know, if halogen is attached with carboxylic group, aldehyde group, with any principal functional group, then always of carbon of functional group is preferred for counting, right? Now this is the carbon of carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. At 5th carbon, Br is attached. This is 5-bromo-heptanoic acid. Okay children, this part is important. Discussion of short answer.